This is a demo video for Gamma. It supports a paper at the ECML PKDD 2020 demo track. In this video, I will show you what Gamma is and how to use it. This video uses Gamma 20.2.0. Gamma is an automated machine learning tool. Automated machine learning aims to automate the process of building models on data through automating the selection of pre-processing and machine learning algorithms. In other words, it aims to automatically develop good models for your data. This is useful for a novice user as they can harness some of the power of machine learning to model their data without having a deep understanding of machine learning. For the experts, it frees up time they would spend on hyperparameter optimization or algorithm selection. They may use it for other tasks such as model understanding instead. We have developed a new open source AutoML system, Gamma. It distinguishes itself by having a flexible way to define an AutoML pipeline and tools to track and visualize the search process. The purpose of the modular design is to facilitate research by allowing you to develop a single part of the pipeline independently. We will first show you how to use Gamma through Python code. After that, we will show you its user interface. Using Gamma in Python is as easy as using a scikit-learn estimator or most Python AutoML tools. You first import the Gamma classifier or regressor. Then you instantiate it and configure it. You may set hyperparameters to indicate the resource available, such as the total time available for search or the number of cores. And you can set hyperparameters for utilities or preferences, such as the metric to optimize towards or where to store the log. You then call fit with your data, after which Gamma will start its search procedure. When Gamma is done, you may produce new predictions with the predict method. Advanced users may want to configure the AutoML pipeline. This can be done through Gamma's hyperparameters. For example, you can pick a different search method, a different post-processing method, and even configure hyperparameters of those methods, such as the number of models to use in your ensemble. Now we will show you the user interface. On the first screen, you may start a new Gamma run directly from the app. On the left, you'll find a configuration menu where you can set the hyperparameter values. On the right, you may specify where your data is located. Currently, the app only accepts ARFF files. After a file is provided, you may select the target column in your data and browse through the data. When you are satisfied with your configuration, you can start Gamma. When a run has been started, you'll be taken to the dashboard screen where Gamma's progress is tracked live. You can find Gamma's console output on the right. As Gamma starts its search, you will see that the scatter plot will populate with pipelines Gamma has tried during its search. The scatter plot shows the pipeline's performance against the number of steps in the pipeline. More recent evaluations are shown bigger. You may hover over points to figure out the steps in a pipeline. On the bottom right, you'll find the same data in table form. By clicking on a point in the plot or the table, the exact hyperparameter configuration for that pipeline will be shown in the bottom left. Instead of starting a new run from the app, you may also visualize the results of an old run's log. In the Analysis tab, on the right you can select the logs to visualize. After loading them, you will be shown the performance over time. By using the drop-down menu, you can also visualize the distribution and estimators used, or the time used to evaluate pipelines, amongst other visualizations. Gamma is an open source project and we encourage anyone that's interested to get involved. Whether you want to use it to build models or to develop a new AutoML search strategy, the best place to learn more is in the documentation. Beyond what's discussed in this video, you'll find help for installing Gamma, using it and setting up the development environment. The code project features good unit test coverage, automatic code formatting, style checking and type checking to ensure code quality, readability and easy collaboration. You'll find a link to the repository and to documentation in the description of this video. We want to thank you very much for your attention. If you have further questions about Gamma, you can reach out by opening a GitHub issue or sending an email.